Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Coinbase wallet, simple way, follow these simple instructions to make sure to ensure everything is properly set up and works correctly. Step 1. Open your web browser or mobile app and navigate to the relevant platform or website. Be sure to make sure you're logged in with your account credentials if required. Step 2. Locate the main menu or settings section. Look for the option related to your task, usually found in the top navigation bar or sidebar menu. Step 3. Navigate to and click on the appropriate section or tab where you can access the specific feature or tool you need for this process. Step 4. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Enter any required information such as amounts, addresses, or account details, accurate and correct, and correct 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 and correctly to avoid errors. Step 5. Thoroughly review all the information you've entered before proceeding. Double-check that everything is correct to prevent any issues or delays. Step 6. Confirm your action by clicking the Submit or Confirm button. Wait for the system to process your request, which may take a few moments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.